How to improve voice quality in ElevenLabs free version. It's very simple and quick to do. If you just follow the steps, I'll show you guys in this video. Open ElevenLabs in your Google Chrome. Search ElevenLabs, create your account, and here select text to speech. Here I have written this sample text which I'm gonna turn into speech. From here, select the right voice if you want the best results. Each voice has its own traits. For example, a powerful cinematic German trailer voiceover. Just like that, select the right voice according to the type of video that you're creating. Let's say we select this one, like this, and we click on generate speech. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So here, let's say I want to change a few things in this voiceover. I'm gonna go and I'm going to select these settings. To get better result, we're gonna reduce the stability and reduce the speed a little bit so that the line is properly delivered to us. And do not change style exaggeration. It changes the speech a lot. So you can go and try these settings in order to make the voiceover quality better. And if you're creating a voiceover in another language, you can click on language override like this, and it will give you tons of options that you can use of different languages. And output format, set it to MP3, it's good. And for the free version, you can only use this one. So let's regenerate speech. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. See, it's better than the previous one. So all you need to do is go and set up these settings according to what you want. So it all depends upon these settings. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.